Hey, this is Samantha here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I want to show you how to make lemonade scones in the air fryer. So let's get started, shall we? Oh, I'm just so obsessed with these lemonade scones. They're just so good. So flour in a bowl, and then we're going to add the sugar to the bowl. And then we're going to add, so then grab yourself a spoon, grab all your yogurt, and then once you've got your flour, sugar and yogurt in, it's time to grab your lemonade. So once you've had a drink, you want to fill one of these up. This is 1/4 cup, so that's the equivalent of 4 tablespoons. But also note, I'm making half a mixture here. So this is perfect if you're looking for a smaller batch of scones. I'm doing this because I'm using them for afternoon tea, so I don't need loads because there's loads of other food going on. And then when you've got that in there, start mixing it. And then you'll notice the only ingredient you have left to add now is the raisins. So I'm just going to give it a good mix first. Wooden spoon is brilliant for this. And then of course, if it doesn't come together enough, you can just add in a little bit more of your lemonade that you're drinking. I love the way you can put drinks into food and how much easier it makes your life. So I'm just going to scrape this down. And then make sure it makes a dough before I add in the raisins. So I mentioned my pinch pot. So I'm just going to flour my hands a little bit. And then it makes it easier. And then it's quite sticky in the middle, so you want to push it down against the flour that's in your bowl. So this is a sweet mixture. You can do savoury as well if you want. You could do the same dough and then swap the sugar and the raisins for some grated cheese. So as you can see, it's coming together nicely now. I mean, when I first tried lemonade scones, I'm like, seriously? Lemonade in your scones? But it works. Just like if you visit RecipeThis.com, you can find lots of gammon recipes using pop as well, such as slow cooker gammon in Coke, slow cooker gammon in Fanta and such like. So it's a fun different way to do your food. So now it's coming together nicely now, so I'm just going to flatten it out a bit, and now we can add in the raisins. You can use any that you want, it's totally personal choice. I live in a household where out of 5 of us, there's only 2 of us that actually likes raisins. But we really like them, so we'll often buy the chocolate covered raisins. Now they're nice. So knead it all together. We'll be moving to the worktop shortly for this. And then it's all coming together. So now we don't need the bowl anymore. We just need some flour on our worktop. Give it a good mix and a good knead. And you can see how those raisins are all coming together. Any that fall out, you can just press back in. And can you believe you've got scone dough that easily? If you look, that's how it looks. It looks absolutely brilliant already. And just keep giving it a good knead. Add a bit more flour. And then if it's a bit sticky, you can just adjust with more flour. And then once your dough's ready and you're happy with it, then we can start rolling it. So, like I said, kids rolling pin. I love these rolling pins. I got them from the kids baking class. I paid for them. And what's great about them is because they're not that bulky, they're perfect for small batch recipes for the air fryer. So just give it a roll out. And then you want it to a certain thickness, because there's nothing worse than really, really small scones. So I tend to roll it and then push it back like that so that you've got a nice sized dough. So if you're wondering, aim for about that kind of size on your dough, or you can do them taller if you prefer. And then cutters, and the time to be air fried. So cutter in there like that. And then a cutter there. I'm hoping I can get 4 out of this, which when you think of re-rolling it, I should be able to. So that doesn't need much of a rolling out. I'm just grabbing a bit more flour for my hands. It comes down to the size of them that you actually like. Right, so that's your 5th one. So that's slightly smaller. That one doesn't need cutting, but that's not bad, is it? If you think. 5 beautiful lemon scones there. You know, a really quick dough, 5 ingredient dough, absolutely brilliant. And now they're ready to go in the air fryer. So I'm just gonna have a quick clean down and we can get them on. So we've had a quick wipe down and now it's time to get these scones on. So air fry basket out and then put them all in. And then, oh wow, don't they look fantastic? I just think they look really, really good. So now they're ready to go on. Of course you can do some egg wash if you want to, but I'm not actually going to bother this time. Because I just want some quick scones. And then I'm going with 12 minutes at 180 Celsius, 360 Fahrenheit. This is because my air fryer is preheated from the previous recipe I've just done. Otherwise I would add a couple more minutes and then press start. Did you know that we have a free air fryer mini course? It runs for 5 days, is delivered by email, covers 5 important air fryer beginner topics and includes a free PDF and free recipes. Simply head over to recipethis.com and search mini course for full details. And we've beat! So shall we check on our lemonade scones and see if they live up to the reputation? Are you ready? Oh wow, I can't believe how good they look. And just think, I didn't actually use any egg wash. And then are they hollow? Oh yes, they're lovely. You can tell they're cooked by the texture of them. They're just absolutely wonderful. And these are perfect for doing it in the air fryer. You don't have to do it as part of an afternoon tea like we are. They can just be an easy way to do some scones in the air fryer with just 5 ingredients. I mean, it's amazing how easy they are to do at home in your air fryer. Have you checked out Air Fryer Easy Every Day yet? It's our brand new air fryer cookbook, following on from the success of the Complete Air Fryer Cookbook. It has over 140 everyday air fryer recipes for you to follow along with at home in your air fryer. Perfect for different types of air fryers too, as it covers the air fryer oven, basket and dual air fryers, as well as some fun recipes if you're cooking for one. So what are you waiting for? Go and order yourself a copy now and you will not be disappointed. It's from 12 years of air frying. And thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to follow us on Pinterest, Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and of course you can also find us on TikTok. But best of all, head over to recipethis.com/newsletter to join our weekly newsletter. And I'm Sam, and thanks again for watching.